Hello, I'm Joshua. I led my team in the construction of this beautiful aircraft that is powered with solar. Let me show you step by step on how we did this using plastic trash.
This is our tech department. Some of the things the children are producing. This is a plane.
This is the first stage. We are cutting the plastics for the airplane. Bending the cut plastics with heated rod and knife so as to achieve the desired shape. Smoothing the joined body with heated rod and knife. Teaching fellow students the skill. They hope to teach many more students in the future.
It's not as if people should just believe.
Apply filler, and after you fill it, then you can see the inside the job. And then the finishing touches, smoothing the blend so as to apply.
Our super airplane is almost ready, as you can see. We are on the finishing touches. The smoothing has taken place. It remains to spray the plane. Here we go.
Yeah, the spraying has started, as you can see. Painting the airplane.
converted the 350 engine wiper to serve as the engine of the plane. Look at it here. And also we use sprocket and the timing chain with the pipe rod to propel the plane. That is, if the engine wiper is rotated, the plane will be moving on the ground.
As you can see, this is the position of the battery. The plane is powered with a 12-volt battery, which we hired. We are still yet to buy our own. And the battery is powered with solar, thereby making it sustainable. And here is the power switch that we use to control the movement of the plane.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We have boarded. We are about to take off. Departure time is in about 2 minutes time. Everyone, fasten your seat belt. Take off time.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.